But can you say that confidently, or what efforts does Objkt take to reduce the scammers?
Honestly, we are actively fighting against them. So when I say that they have become more sophisticated, it's because we are active trying to fight them. So they need to become more sophisticated to continue. And we are working with other platforms, with TEIA, to coordinate on the fight against copy minters. And they are also, how do you say? They also detect some copy minters automatically. But it's a fight which is done every day. I'm not involved in this anymore, but I do look for it when I feature a piece. But the main part of it is done by our community manager. But it's really we are very involved in this.
Yes.
Because
it is very nice to know that you're actively fighting. It's very nice to know that you're actively fighting and coordinating with other platforms.
And it's a matter of credibility. Because if there are too many scammers, it gives NFTs a bad reputation. And they already have a bad reputation, but it's important not to encourage scammers, and especially when you have artists who are having a very hard time in this bear market. So but
it'll be a relief for you. It'll be a relief for you because scammers come back during the bulls. They are not there.
That's what I wanted to say. They are a bit more shy now because they think, oh, it's the bear market. Maybe it's not worth it. We don't want to be there. So I think they will come back in the bull market. But we have lots
You're
of
prepared
things
for
in place. We prepare to fight.
Yes.
And that's it's important. It's really important.